Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Synchrony Rewards card and claim points, follow these step-by-step instructions to start enjoying your rewards benefits. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Synchrony Bank website or the specific retailer website if it's a store-branded card. Step 2. Look for the Activate Card or Register button on the homepage. Click this button to begin the activation process. Step 3. Enter your card number, security code, and personal information as requested. Make sure all information matches what's on file with Synchrony. Step 4. Create your online account credentials by choosing a username and secure password. You'll use these to access your account in the future. Step 5. Verify your identity by answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your phone or email. Step 6. Once activated, navigate to the rewards section of your online account. This is where you can view your points balance and available rewards. Step 7. Review the terms of your rewards program to understand how points are earned and what redemption options are available. Step 8. Start using your card for purchases to accumulate rewards points. Log in regularly to check your points balance and redeem rewards when you have enough points for desired items or cashback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.